In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Google Chromecast to TV. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Chromecast in conjunction with a TV. This will allow you to connect an iPhone, an iPad, an Android smartphone, whatever it is that you have, to your TV wirelessly. So the Chromecast allows any device to stream over wirelessly. You will be able to share your screen, share something like YouTube, Netflix, and so on. So to do this, first connect the Chromecast itself to the TV. So using this cable here, you will plug it into any of the available HDMI ports on the TV. So the Chromecast is going to be directly plugged into the TV using an HDMI port. Once you have the Chromecast plugged into the TV, the next thing to do is to provide power to the Chromecast. So if you notice that your Chromecast has a USB port, then you plug in a cable and you plug it into any suitable power outlet. This will give power to the Chromecast, allowing it to find nearby devices and of course communicate. So after you have the HDMI cable plugged into the TV and the Chromecast is receiving suitable power, you are able to stream anything over to the Chromecast. So usually when you tap the cast or share icon when you go into YouTube, Netflix, or you use a specific application like DoCast, which is this example here, you will be able to select to share the screen to the Chromecast. This will work with any smart device and you can even share from your laptop. So all that you have to do is plug it into the TV with the HDMI cable and plug it into a suitable power source. Once the Chromecast is being powered properly, it is going to be detected by nearby devices and you can share anything that you wish. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect Google Chromecast to TV. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.